Hello and welcome to another Magic the Gathering pack opening. We have 6 packs of Secret of Strixhaven, the brand new set that is coming out very soon. I've managed to get some packs early, so the pack art is absolutely amazing. Like, I have 3 different designs, and I am loving all of these pack arts, because it's just so pretty and so shiny. I know, typical girl getting distracted by the pretty. But without further ado, we're going to get into it. There's a couple of cards that I am looking for and hoping to get. So without further ado, let's get into the pack opening and find out. Rehearsed Debater, Vigilance, Repertoire. Okay. Oracle's Restoration. Target creature get +1/+1 to its turn. Draw a card, gain life. Nice. Snaring Shade Writer. Run Behind. Cost 1 less to cast if it targets an attacking creature. Nice. Page Loose Leaf. Oh, it's a mana rock. Visionary's Dance. Cuboid Colony. Ooh, insect. Charging Strife. Knight. Haste, discard a card, draw a card. Okay, that's a nice hand. I think go a little bit closer. There we go. Group Project. Applied Geometry. Exhibition Tide Caller. Wizard. Ooh, Full Art. Repel Calamity. Homesickness Foil. That's a really nice foil. Spectator Summit. And a token Elemental with a token treasure token. That is a pretty treasure token. Not bad for our first pack. Not bad at all. So that goes to the side. Let's get into the next pack. Oh, well, it automatically have a spirit, so let's just get rid of that. Seized Spoils. Ajani's Response. I have that Planeswalker, so that's nice. Shopkeeper's Bane. Cheerful Ulstermaster. Black with Raise the Dead. Nice. Landscape Painter. Oh, another Merfolk. Awesome. That'd be useful. Imperious Ink Mage. Pursue the Past. Arcanic's Agony. Molten Note. Iron Deathbloom Botanist. Huh. Pensive Professor. Deduce. Oh, that's a nice one. Spellbook Seeker Foil. A really nice foil how they've done that. I like the touch of the book. Forum of Amenti. It's land enters tapped. It's white-black. Oh, nice. And as we know, we have a spirit and an inkling. Okay. Some good cards there. On to the next pack. We have a pest. Unsubtle Mockery. Rapier Wit. Mindful Biomancer. Send in the Pest. Essence Scatter, which is a counter target creature spell. Nice. Terramorphic Expanse. Render Speechless. Luen Exchange Student. Divergent Equation. Dissection Practice. Steal the Show. Jessica's Willful Art. Nice. Empty the Warren's Full Art Foil. Nice. That is pretty card. Planes and a Fractal and a Pest, which is also very pretty. Very interesting cards, especially that Full Art Foil. That one's very pretty. So look up that one and see how I'm going to do that one. Which deck to add it to. Strive Scholar. Interjection. Burrow Barrage. Adventurous Eater. Muse's Encouragement. Patera Fractal. Sanar Unfinished Genius. Silver Quill Charm. Transcendent Archaic. Proctor's Gaze. Mind into Mana. Monstrous Rage Full Art. Strixhaven Sky Coach. Foil, nice. Another Forum of Amity, but foil this time. That is pretty. And another Fractal and a Spirit. So far we've got some really good cards, and also not that, don't remember having any doubles so far. So we're doing really well for pack opening. Other than like the tokens. But tokens are fine to have doubles with because that's just useful. Expressive Fire Dancer. Ascendant Dust Speaker. Studious First Year. Pull from the Grave. Turn up to 2 target creature cards from your graveyard to your hand. Nice. Textbook Tabulator. Rankus Archaic. Scathing Shadelock. Garrison Evacuator. Killian's Confidence. Snarl Song. Prismari the Inspiration. Burst Lightning Full Art. Okay. Lorehold Charm Foil. An Island. And another Fractal and a Spirit. And now on to our last pack for this set. I will be ordering and doing the bundle, just like I did the Law and Eclipse bundle. So look forward to that in the future. So we'll have a bundle of the Strixhaven coming. Rearing Embermane. Elite Interceptor. Hungry Graphalon. Cost of Brilliance. Banishing Betrayal. Brace the Paradox. Harsh Annotation. End of the Hunt. That is so pretty. Additive Evolution. Muse Seeker. Nita Forum Constellator. Stargaze Full Art. Tenant Conqueror. Foil. Nice. Titan's Grave. Black Green. And an Elemental and another treasure token. So all in all, we got quite a lot of really good cards. And I'm kind of really happy with how these 6 packs work. Like I've got some really good ones that I can go through and add to decks, or I can make a completely brand new deck. I will be, as I said, I do have the bundle for Strixhaven coming at some point, so it probably won't be here until mid-May or beginning of May, at some point in May. But as soon as that arrives, it will be I will be showing it on the channel. I'm also going to be getting the commander box for Strixhaven of specifically the Silver Quill commander box, the precon. So we'll be going through the cards up there. So lots more Magic stuff incoming, and there's probably be more pack openings as well, dotted about as and when I pick them up. So thank you all for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you never miss an opening or an episode. And I will catch you all on the flip side.